Dear third years, today in this class we are going to discuss about basic logic gates. Before discussion of basic logic gates, we shall discuss different types of signal applied to electronic system. There are two types of signals applied to electronic circuits. Number one, analog signal. Number two, digital signal. What is an analog signal? Analog signal is time varying signal. The analog signal has any voltage at any instant of time. Look at this figure. This is the analog waveform. It is the waveform for voltage versus time. For the time interval t1, the voltage is here. For the time interval t2, the voltage is here. For the time interval t3, the voltage is here. The voltage is increasing and then it is decreasing. So like that, you take any time interval, there is a different values of voltages. Such a signal is known as analog signal. It is the continuous varying signal. Those circuits which are responsible for analog signal is called as analog circuits. Then the second one is digital signal. Digital signal has two discrete levels. One is the high level, the other one is the low level. So in between high and low level, there is no level in digital system. Whereas in the case of analog signal, you have all possible values of voltage. But here only high voltage or low voltage. The low voltage varies from 0 to 0.5 and high voltage varies from 3.5 to 5 volt. This signal is known as digital signal. Those circuits which are responsible for digital signal are known as digital circuits. Fine. Now let us take gate. What do you mean by gate? Gate is an electronic circuit which perform logical operations and it make logical decisions. Every gate has some logics. The gate consists of n number of inputs but only one output. The gate is the basic building block of digital circuits. There are different types of gates are there, namely AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, CMOS NAND gate, CMOS NOR gate, CMOS NOR gate, etc. Now, first let us consider AND gate. This is the circuit symbol for AND gate. Two input AND gate. It consists of input A and input B, the output Y. Y is equal to A dot B. A dot B, this is known as a Boolean equation for two input AND gate. The AND gate perform simple logical multiplication, A dot B. So in the case of AND gate, there is a logic beyond this AND gate. What is the logic? So this will be discussed from this truth table. Again, truth table shows relation between inputs and outputs. This two input AND gate consists of two input A and B. Therefore, you take two columns at input side of the truth table. The output side of the AND gate consists of only one terminal. So you take only one column at output side of the truth table. Because of two inputs A and B, the number of possible combinations are 2 power n. Here n is the number of input. The number of input here is 2. Put 2 power n is equal to 2, you get 4. Therefore, there are 4 possible combinations to analyze the performance of AND gate. What are the 4 possible combinations? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For 0 0, the equation is A dot B, A is 0, B is 0, 0 into 0 is equal to 0. For second row, A is 0, B is 1, multiply 0 into 1 is equal to again 0. For third row, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 1 into 0 is equal to again 0. For fourth row, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So this is the logic operation of two input AND gate. Okay. So because of this truth table, for different combinations, you get different values of output. Then what is the logic beyond this AND gate? See here, for 0 0 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. So from the truth table, when any one input of the AND gate is 0 or both are 0, the output is definitely 0. When all the inputs to the AND gate is high 1 1, definitely the output is 1. Which means that the truth of AND gate is, if any one input of the AND gate is 0, the output is 0. When all the inputs are 1, the output is equal to 1. Or you can say that when all the inputs are high, the output is high. Otherwise, the output is equal to 0. In otherwise, the three conditions are included, which is 0 0, 0 1 and 1 0. So this is the simple operation of AND gate. This is the symbol and this is the truth table for two input AND gate. Now let us switch over to another gate, OR gate. This is circuit symbol for two input OR gate. A and B are two inputs and Y is the one output of OR gate. The difference between AND gate and OR gate symbol is, here you have the arc type with some 3 arcs. The 3 arcs are joined together, you get OR gate. So again, some truth is beyond OR gate, like that AND gate. From truth table, you can see that here, when input A and B is equal to 0, the output is here 0. When input A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, the output is 1. When input A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the output is equal to again 1. When input A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, the output also equal to 1. Here A and B are two input to the OR gate, and the output of equation for the OR gate is y is equal to A plus B. Here the A plus B is the Boolean equation for OR gate. Using this equation, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. It's a simple addition. Then, what is the truth beyond the OR gate? Look at here. When any one input of OR gate is high 1, the output is definitely high 1. When all the inputs to the OR gate is low 0, the output is 0. This is the truth for OR gate. That is, when all the inputs are 0, the output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. In this case, the otherwise condition is 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. This is the logic operation for two input OR gate. Then NOT gate. The NOT gate is usually called as inverter because it's just to invert whatever may be the input given to the input of the NOT gate. This is the circuit symbol, logic symbol for NOT gate. You have one triangle with one bubble. The triangle is the buffer. Buffer means it stores information for only particular time. The bubble added with this buffer, that is known as NOT gate. The input to the NOT gate is capital A. The output to the NOT gate Y is equal to A bar. A bar means inversion, 180-degree inversion. Because of only one input, there are only two possible combinations, either 0 or 1. When the input A is equal to 0, 0 complement is equal to 1, that is Y is equal to A bar. When input A is equal to 1, the output Y became 0. It is a quite opposite to the input. This is the operation of a NOT gate. Therefore, from the three gates, AND gate, this is a logic symbol, Boolean equation Y is equal to A dot B. Truth beyond the AND gate is when all the inputs are high, the output is high, otherwise the output is 0. For OR gate, this is a logic symbol, this is the Boolean equation. When all the inputs are low, the output is low, otherwise the output is equal to 1. This is a logic beyond the OR gate. Then NOT gate, the output is complement of input. This is the logic beyond NOT gate.